Hey there, it's Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. I am just hanging in my kitchen. I have General Hospital playing in the background, and I'm wondering why all the women from like 30 years ago all look exactly the same, but the men, they don't look as good. Anyway, that's not what I'm here to talk about. I'm here to tell you about this find I found at my supermarket. This is Mission Zero Net Carb Tortillas. These are incredible because they taste good. They have a perfect texture. They only have 25 calories each. 7 grams of fiber, so they're perfect for street tacos. They're perfect for like little mini quesadillas. You could do tiny little pizzas, but they are nice. The texture is very chewy, not too thin, just perfection. So Mission, you did a great job. At my market, these were on an end cap, and there were like 6 different flavors or something like that. It was like really impressive, but I just grabbed the originals, and I think you should too. Okay. Well, I gotta go watch General Hospital. Not really, but anyway. I'll see you soon. Bye.